Hello everyone, it's Josh here at the Classic Competition Company, and we're out here again with another awesome prize. It's a 1975 Honda CB750 K that you can see behind me. It's in excellent condition, having been fully restored. What I'm going to do is just show you around the bike and how to start it. So here we are, really nice condition, recent restoration, using all correct parts. See, there's a really nice paint job. It's nice to see a Honda in red. Nice original exhaust system, as you can see there. Seat's been redone. The Honda logo on the back there. Some nice original kind of spec stickers. Okay, that's a little walk around. I bet you want to hear it now. So I have had it going today, so all you need to do is put your ignition on. It's already on. There's a choke up there we don't need. Make sure your run button's on, and you've got your electric start here, and you just press that and she'll fire up. And just turn your fuel off, ignition key off, and there you are. So thank you for watching the video. If you fancy a ticket, they're $2.99 and it's July 2024. If the bike is no longer on the site, still check the site out, which is theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. Got lots of nice Japanese bikes. Usually you've got some nice big two-strokes on there, like GT750s, H2s, H1s, and usually some nice Triumphs like T100s and Bonnevilles. So if you do enter, thank you very much, and we'll see you again. Thank you.